Okay, friends, we are on to math. We have our warm-up for day 2. Go ahead and copy it. I know most of you are copying this very neatly, and I'm very proud of you for that, because if you set this up neatly, it's easier for you to complete, and it's easier for me to grade. It's hard to see on my little phone. I have to blow it up and really look at it. Thank you so much. All right, go ahead and pause the video and copy. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and check it together. Number 1, 8 times 9 is 72. I bet you noticed right away a fact family because we've got the same numbers. So what's going to go here? 72. Okay. Number 2. Now we're adding into the thousands. It's the same procedure. 3 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 1 is 10. You need to add our comma. 10,488. That one didn't even require any regrouping. So easy. All right, number 4. Expand the numbers. 683 is the same as 683. Okay, it just meant to break it apart in place value. 600 plus 80 plus 3. 809, notice it only has 2 blanks. Did you know why? That's right, the 0 in the middle has no value. 800 plus 9, 809. Terry has 3 cats weighing 4 pounds, 3 pounds, and 2 pounds. How much do the cats weigh? I forgot the word cats. Cats. Weigh all together. We've got 3 pounds, 4 pounds, 2 pounds. Clue word all together. 3 plus 4 plus 2 equals 9 pounds. Okay? Oh, I forgot this one. Write a word problem for 3 times 4 equals 12. Well, obviously, we're all going to have a different problem. So as long as you said there were 3 groups of 4 of something, for instance, there were 3 groups of 4 cats. How many cats would there be altogether? Or there were 3 baskets of 4 apples each. How many apples altogether, okay? So anything with 3 groups of 4, all right? Very good, that makes our warm-up complete. And we're going to go on to checking our assignment from yesterday. Open up your workbook to page 633, the one we did yesterday, and we're going to look at our data analysis. You had to finish the tally chart. The colors we like: green, you should have written 3, red, 6, blue, 8, and then answered the questions. Number 1, how many children chose red? 6 children chose red. Number 2, which color did the fewest children choose? That color is green. Sums to 10, a little quick review for you. Number 3, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Number 4, 6 plus 3 equals 9. And number 5, 2 plus 8 equals 10. Differences to 10. Number 6, 6 minus 5 equals 1. Number 7, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Number 8, 10 minus 7 equals 3. Number 9, 9 minus 2 equals 7. Number 10, 8 minus 4 equals 4. Number 11, 10 minus 2 equals 8. How'd you do? I knew you'd do perfectly well. Turn to the next page. That would be 634. And we had to fill in our tally marks. Draw tally marks to show each number. 7 would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, that's it for tally marks. Then we had vocabulary, which were more than, fewer than. Number 10, 10 apples is more than any number less than 10. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Any of those would work. Number 7, 6 bananas is fewer than anything higher than 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, on and on. Okay? Number 3, blank grapes is more than 6 grapes. So anything, once again, more than 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and on up. Number 4, blank oranges is fewer than 5. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 could be possible choices. All right, that makes our correcting. So we're going to go on today's lesson. Turn to page 645. Let's see, where am I going to write that? 645. Okay, 645. We have module 19.1, reading pictographs. I'm going to ask you a couple questions and go ahead and answer out loud. Look at the chart, favorite hobbies. Let's look at our choices. We have crafts, reading, music, and sports. All right, how many children choose each hobby? Crafts, 6. Reading, 4. Music, yes, 5. And sports. Hey, that's good, 7. Now I want you to add a tally mark for yourself. Which hobby would you like best? I think I would pick crafts. I'm not very sporty. Okay, now it says, all right, I don't know what it says. All right, we're gonna go on. Let's look at 646. Turn the page to 646. We have more pictographs. Number of soccer games for March, April, May, June. Look at the key. This is very important. Each soccer ball stands for 1 game. Okay? Sometimes they're tricky and they make it a soccer ball could equal 2 games, and then you would have to count them by 2s. Okay? But this one is just 1 soccer ball equals 1 game. Okay, always look at the key. Share and show. Use the pictograph to answer the questions below. Let's look at the key first. Each smiley face stands for 1 child. Did you find it under the chart? Good. These are favorite snacks: pretzels, grapes, popcorn, apples. All right. Number 1, which snack was chosen by the fewest children? Oh, popcorn? That's my favorite. How awful. I don't think they took this chart very well. Number 2, how many more children chose pretzels than apples? So first we had to count pretzels. How many did you get? I got 8. And then apples, 6. Do I add or subtract to find how many more? Yes, subtract. So 8 minus 6 equals 2 more children. All right, we're moving right along. Let's go on to the next page, 647. Okay. On 647, we have a pictograph about pencils. Did you remember to find the key? Each pencil stands for 1 pencil. We had Alana, Teresa, John, and Brad. How many pencils did Alana and Brad have? Alana has 3. Brad has, ooh, a lot, 8. How many do they have all together? What's the key word? All together. So I'm going to add them. 3 plus 8 equals 11 pencils. Are you writing these answers down as we go along? Good. Number 4. How many more pencils does Teresa have than Alana? So I find Teresa, she has 5, and I subtract Alana's 3, and I get 2 more pencils. Number 5, multi-step, hot. Mrs. Green has the same number of pencils as all 4 children. How many pencils does she have? I'll give you a minute to count them up. Did you get 20? Perfect. Also, did you remember that Alana and Brad already had 11? So all you had to do is count Teresa and John? Or did you count all of them? Well, either way works as long as you got 20 pencils. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move along to 648. Okay, now this is our check for understanding. So go ahead and pause the video so that you can do this on your own. I'll give you a couple minutes. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and check our answers. Number 7, look at the pictograph. How many children chose red? What does a dot stand for? 1 child. I go to red, and I hope you filled in 7. Number 8, use the pictograph above. How many children voted in all? How do I do that, in all? Yeah, count them up. Did you get 16? Very good. Number 9, use the pictograph. How many pets do the 3 children have? Each diamond stands for 1 pet. Did you get 8? Well, I hope not, because the answer is 6. Very good. All right, what I would like you to do now is tear out 649 and 650. Okay, it's our yellow pages that we always tear out. Carefully tear it out and complete it, and then have Mom and Dad send it back to me. That is the only page out of what we just did that I want sent back. Just the yellow pages. Okay? Thank you and bye.